In this video, we're going to transpose data. Transposing data allows you to switch where your headings and labels are. I can switch my headings at the top to go down a column, or I could switch both of the headings and swap places. The first thing we're going to do is change this top heading on a new sheet. So I'm going to select my range. I'm going to go to Copy, and then start a new sheet. Now in my new sheet, I'm going to go to the same clipboard group and click the list drop down underneath the clipboard. And I'm going to choose this option right here. This is transpose. Now my headings go down the column instead of across. Back on our original sheet, I'm going to use transpose to switch both headings. So I want expenses year one to go down, and then I want these headings to go across. I'm going to select my range, copy once again. I'm going to place it beneath it by clicking on A14, go to the list dropdown, and again, look for transpose. Now you can see there's a little preview. I can click on transpose, and as you can see, it switches the orientation of your data. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.